everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, Crehan, and today I'm joined by our brand manager from Dainese, Damien Irwin. Damien, now this is really exciting. We've got something brand new about to hit the shelves.
We do. We've got the brand new Dainese Seeker Gore-Tex adventure boots. So these fit into the range kind of between a motocross boot and a normal touring boot. They offer much less weight than a motocross boot, but a great deal more protection than a normal touring boot. And of course it comes with CE approval.
So let's get stuck in. What are they made out of and what kind of protection they're going to offer?
A lot of protection. They're made out of full grain leather. They've got a hard toe box on the front here with TPU protection for your levers. There's a flex system on the front that moves with you when you walk, but that's protecting the lower part of your foot. On the outside, the buckle system's magnesium buckles with steel cables, so very, very strong and durable. You've got your TPU protectors on the front that actually slide over each other, so they're very comfortable to walk in. At the top, we've got Dainese's Pro Armour on the shin, and even inside the ankles, you've got additional protection hidden in the boot. Plus, on the inside, you've got a suede inner, so that's for protection and grip on the bike as well.
Very, very safe. What do they feel like to wear?
Super comfortable. These come with a Groundtrax sole, so that's really, really comfortable both on and off the bike. That's asymmetrical, so it works with your levers. Plus, on the inside, you've got an Ortholite footbed, so very, very comfortable to wear.
You mentioned that you can wear these boots all day in all types of conditions. Just tell us how the Gore-Tex liner works.
Well, Gore-Tex is one of those premium waterproof and breathable liners. So that's full liner through this boot. You can go and stand in the creek and not get wet feet and you'll be comfortable all day.
Is there anything else you need to tell us about the boots?
Yeah, well these are available in a full range of sizes and in the black or the beautiful green that we've got here.
Thank you so much, Damien. If you'd like any more information on the Dainese Seeker Adventure Boot, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or of course the information is there for you on the website.